What's up, everybody? Adam Van Fleet with MarineMax. We're doing another walkthrough today of another boat that we have in stock, a 2025 28 Vantage by Boston Whaler. You can see you have the nice platinum hull color on the side with the chrome graphics, white rub rail with the stainless steel insert, and the white 300s along the back there. Those 300s are going to push you roughly 50 plus miles an hour. And it's going to do it very efficiently, nice, quiet. You can have a nice conversation too without it being too loud. You can see we have this one equipped with a nice hardtop, rod holders off the back of the hardtop and the stanchions along the side. You might not be able to tell from here, but this does have a weather curtain package. So you do have the ability to give this a four-sided enclosure if the weather gets nasty or it's that late fall boating, early spring boating. Right now, we're gonna jump up inside. I'm gonna start walking you through the boat and we'll go from there. What's going on, guys? We're up inside the cockpit of the 280 Vantage. As you can see a little bit better here, that nice white cowling on the V8 300s. You're gonna start here with rod holders across the back, live well, and a freshwater shower. This is your bench. That's gonna pop out. Nice and solid, it's gonna give you plenty of room to hang out there. Again, one-handed. Nice and simple design there. Starboard, port side, you have your access door or your tuna door. And a ladder does drop down in here with that handle popping out so you can get it inside the boat, which is really nice if you have kids or anybody swimming, or you're even just getting on and off of the dock. You throw that ladder out when you're swimming, makes it easy, you stay away from the engines there. You have fish boxes to port and starboard, a rear-facing seat here, cup holders throughout. You have a cooler storage, and this is really nice. This is your port side. You can call it kind of a lounger. There's a couple different functions here. Starting on the back, you have a table mount. You have storage underneath the entire thing, and this has a couple different positions. So you have an aft-facing lounger, an extra long aft-facing lounger with the cushions against the head. Access to your storage is done through here. That does fold all the way up, but that cushion's in the way now. And then you have actually a forward-facing lounger right here as well. So really nice setup here, really versatile. Gives you a nice setup along there to maximize your seating. Pop this back up here. You have your head to port. Starboard here, you get into your helm area. Nice classic Whaler rocker switches across, 12-inch Simrad there, VHF, trim tabs, radio is all integrated, and your digital throttle and shift. This is what I was talking to you earlier about the weather curtains. So these stay in. You have, again, Strata-Glass, that nice thick plexi-like glass, four-sided enclosure, so the front, two sides, and the rear. Nice heavy-duty handles up top so you can hold on to when you're running. A heavy-duty access door, and you make your way up to the bow there. Big open seating here. You have storage underneath all three corners of this. Access underneath the helm, speakers, more cup holders. And then at the bow, you do have a nice stainless steel windlass and plenty of room for your anchor and rode. Guys, this concludes our walkthrough of the 280 Vantage 2025 in stock in Danvers. If you want to come check it out or anything else we have in stock, stop on by. We're right off Route 28. Thanks.